Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Let's kick things off with a quick pop quiz today. Imagine you're a detective examining a crime scene. You find a footprint, a fiber from a piece of clothing, and a partial fingerprint. As you find more and more pieces of evidence that all point to the same suspect, your confidence in their identity grows. So, here's the question. Which fundamental forensic principle states that the more similarities or differences you find, the more conclusive your identification becomes? Is it A, the law of individuality, which says every single object, natural or man-made, is unique and can't be duplicated? Or is it B, the law of multiplicity of evidence, which suggests that the strength of a conclusion increases with the number of independent points of comparison? Think about it for a second. Got your answer? If you guessed B, you are absolutely correct. It's the law of multiplicity of evidence. This principle is a cornerstone of forensic science and, honestly, a great principle for general problem solving too. It's all about probability and building a strong case, piece by piece. One piece of evidence might be a coincidence. 2 pieces? Less likely. 3, 4, 5 different pieces all pointing in the same direction? Now you're building a powerful, convincing argument that's hard to refute. Let's use a classic example. Fingerprints. When an expert analyzes a fingerprint from a crime scene, they're not just looking for a general pattern. They are looking for specific, tiny details called minutiae, or ridge characteristics. These are the little points where ridges end, split into 2, or form a dot. If they find 1 or 2 matching minutiae between the crime scene print and a suspect's print, it's interesting, but not conclusive. But if they find 10, 12, or even 15 of these points that all match up in the same relative positions, the probability that it could be anyone else becomes astronomically small. Each matching point is an independent piece of evidence. The more you have, the stronger the identification. It's this multiplicity, this sheer number of matching points, that allows an expert to say with a very high degree of certainty, yes, this print belongs to this person. Conversely, the same law applies to ruling someone out. If you find multiple clear differences, minutiae that exist on the suspect's print but not on the crime scene print, or vice versa, you can confidently exclude that person. One clear point of dissimilarity is often enough to say it's not a match. So, the law of multiplicity of evidence is all about building a case through volume and variety. It's not about one single gotcha moment, but the combined weight of many small details that together tell a powerful story. It's a fantastic reminder that in investigation, and often in life, the truth is revealed not by a single clue, but by the overwhelming chorus of many. Thanks so much for tuning in to learn with me today. If you found this interesting, please hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss our next video. See you in the next one.